Hello everyone, back with me Naila Azhara Permana in Nice News. Headline news this time will be news a traffic jam which often becomes a major problem for big cities in England. Not to mention congestion in London area to Manchester which becomes subscription of congestion. On a typical day, the volume of vehicles already increases and becomes crowded in this area, especially during the long holiday in the end of 2019 and the beginning of 2020. In the direction of London to Manchester, the volume of vehicles looks increasingly overflowing. Congestion is not only happening in the big streets but also happens in Leadenhall Highway from London to Manchester. Congestion this time is accompanied by heavy rain that floods the area of Manchester and the surrounding area starting this morning. The cause flood around Manchester, not least in Leadenhall Highway, Manchester. This affects the congestion that is getting worse from the direction of London to Manchester. The congestion in this area has become a subscription and becomes a major problem for motorcycles and cars because this bottleneck hampers the activities of the surrounding community, especially in the morning. Especially now is the holiday season at the end of 2019 and the beginning of 2020, which affect the traffic congestion is increasingly severe in this Manchester area. Viewers, not only congestion happens, but also heavy rain that floods this area since at 7 a.m. The rain that has flooded this area seems to roll in the area around Manchester, causing a long traffic jam up to about 7 km from the direction of London to Manchester. This jam has occurred almost 2 hours. Rain also makes the complex of houses near the highway in Manchester flood to a height of 30 until 30 centimeters. Heavy rain also results in the roads around overflood Manchester and disturb the road user. It is very dangerous, especially for two-wheeled riders. The worst congestion occurs from the flyover near of Supermall to Red Lake intersection of Wild and Street. This can be seen from the volume of both of-wheeled vehicles that have filled this street sign this morning. So for you who want to take a vacation or just passing in the area of Manchester, it better choose other alternative routes because the congestion is expected to last until noon if the rain stops and water in that areas around Manchester gradually recede. Viewers, this is Nice News for today. Until next time.